Hello foodies, welcome to FoodyRulz. Today's recipe is a fried rice for vegetarians. Like many people told that like fried rice, vegetarians cannot eat it. So today I've shown you how to make. I'm going to show you how to make this golden corn fried rice. Superly delicious, less in time. You can make it with leftover rice. Actually, it works better with the leftover rice. So I've taken some oil in a pan. I've added like 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, normal sunflower oil. Just keep the flame on high. Seriously, I'm telling you again and again, you need to keep your flame on high. Add a handful of corn and some red chilies chopped. These are fresh red chilies. You can also use chili flakes. It usually gives the same taste. Then add a bit of salt. Then you need to again mix a little. So again and again I'm telling you, you need to cook. I mean till the end of the recipe. Till the end of the recipe, you need to cook it on only high flame. Add 2 cups of rice to it. So here I'm using leftover rice. Leftover rice actually gives good taste. Try to use a bit less wet, I mean a bit dry rice which is leftover. That turns out very well. So add a teaspoon of vinegar, a teaspoon of green chili sauce, and a teaspoon of soy sauce. So if you want, you can also add red chili sauce. So in my green chili sauce I already have pepper powder, so I'm not adding an extra. If your black pepper powder, if your green chili sauce doesn't contain black pepper powder, then you need to add 1/4 to half teaspoon of black pepper powder in extra. So the reason behind this high flame is that if you cook everything on high flame, what actually happens is everything starts to get burned. So if mix continuously again and again, again and again, then what actually happens is that things doesn't get burned, and also it gives good smoky flavor. So that is the secret behind the street food style. So cook it for 5 minutes until all the wetness goes, and serve it with some green onions or spring onions, and that's it. Balak.